Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my updated makeup routine. It did change a little bit from like the last makeup routine that I did. I think that was like almost a year ago, maybe a little less than a year ago, so it definitely did change. And I have my chlorophyll water with me. I already did my skincare routine. If you guys want a video on that, please let me know down in the comments. I didn't put SPF on, so I'm putting on my SPF. It is the Cintiq I'm Pure Perfect Cica, I think that's what I say, and it's SPF 50. I also put that on my neck because the neck is the first part that shows you aging, so we don't age over here, so we gotta put sunscreen on because then you will age if you don't put sunscreen on. I'm doing this makeup for like my pictures that I've been taking on Instagram, and then just like when I don't want to do full glam, like if I'm not going out or anything, doing anything special, that's when I do it. Or if like honestly just like an everyday thing, like if I want to have some makeup on but don't want to take too long, then I do this. To start off, I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s putty primer, poreless putty primer, and then I've been loving this technique that I've been using. I just use a brush and then scoop it up and just apply it like that. So I'll just put it like this, and I put this all over my face. Like, even if I'm only going to use concealer, I put it all over my face just to make it all even. Next up, I've been loving this. It's a tinted moisturizer by Studio Makeup. It comes in a pump like this. I think I got this in my BoxyCharm, and literally like it is so good. It does cover up some imperfections, but like I said, it's a tinted moisturizer, so it's not super heavy, and I just love that. I'm just gonna put this on my face. I like to do it in sections. I don't do all of my face at one time. I don't know why. It doesn't really like dry, I don't think, not this one, but I had experiences with like foundations drying super fast, so I just like to do it in sections now. So far super glowy, that's good, but it still looks like my skin, so that's what I like. Next, I'm just going to go in and spot conceal some of my blemishes that I have right now, and I just use like a concealer closer to my skin. Okay, so I just put a few dots on my face. That's where my blemishes are right now. And next, I'm going to do like concealer underneath my eyes. This is the lighter shade. This was light medium. And this one is Sunbeam. It's a glow wand. So I don't know if it's the same thing as the Shape Tape concealer, but it says Shape Tape glow wand. And I'm gonna go back in and gently dab in like these spot concealers, but I'm not gonna blend it in all the way because I don't want it to be blended in all the way. Kind of just like that. And now we're gonna go into the concealer. Now that that's all settled in, I'm going to bake a little bit now, or set my face, whatever you want to call it. I use the Kat Von D Lock-It powder. I've been using this for years and I love it, but I want to change, and I'm not sure to what. I think I'm gonna go for the Laura Mercier powder. I used to use that all the time too, and it was really good, so maybe I should go back. I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes and push it in with a beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna do my forehead, nose, and chin. I go to my jawline as well, just to make sure that is set in place too. Sorry for the noise in the background, that is my cats. So I let that sit for like a minute or so, not too long, because I don't want to be super powdery. Carefully knock that off with a powder brush. Next, I like to do some contour. Use this beat up Anastasia contour kit. I use this angled brush and put it into this. I'm going to second my cheeks like you see all the beauty gurus do. And I'm gonna put it above that line right there so I can like blend in nice. You'll see. And I'm just gonna put that right over here as well on my forehead to make my forehead a little bit smaller, and on my jawline to make it sharper. After that, I'm going to use the same powder brush and blend it in. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side now. Okay, after the cheek contour, I'm going to do my nose contour. And I don't really do like a lot. I'm just gonna take that same shade. I'm going to draw down. I'm gonna connect it to my brow bone, and then I'm gonna go like inward. Like that. It's gonna look crazy at first. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm going to put like 2 dots right here where it's already dark. Just gonna accentuate that. Oh my god, I look like Michael Jackson. And then over here I'm just gonna do like a kind of like rainbow shape. I'm gonna use the other side, just a fluffy brush, and fluff it out. And it's okay, it still looks like a lot. I'll show you how to fix that. Just gonna, you want to fluff it into your brow to make it look natural. Next, I'm going to use the beauty blender, and I'm just going to go over it and kind of, this makes it less opaque, like it makes it more blended in. So wherever you need it, you can just go in and blend. It just makes it look nicer, I think. So I'm going to go back into the powder, taking like, says a large shader brush. I'm just gonna load it up with some powder. And then a smaller one. And I'm just gonna go down the middle. And I'm just gonna leave that on for a little bit, not a long time, again, just like a minute or so. And it'll just help the contour. I'm gonna go back to the fluffy shade that I used for my nose. I'm just gonna go into my creases and use this, like the color that we have left on that brush, and just add it into the crease. I'm just gonna pop it off. I'm going to go in with blush. This is Hip Dot in the color Red Moon. It looks like a nice pink shade. And I'm gonna put that like right here on my apples and then just bring it up. So not fully on the apples. Forehead to blend it in. Chin, but not a lot, just a little bit. Kind of to pull the look together. And I'm just gonna fluff it out with the powder brush again. Put a little bit more. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. I don't do a lot on the eyes just because I don't want to. With the eyes, I'm just going to curl my lashes real quick and apply mascara. First, I'm using Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I love this mascara to make them like long. While that dries, I'm gonna do my brows. I haven't been doing much with my brows either. I've just been using this e.l.f. Wow Brow. It was like $2, I think, like around there. It works amazing. It leaves like super natural brows. I love it. I like to start in the middle, do my tail, and then go back and do all of it. That. So super simple, and it's not like a heavy brows, it's natural brows, which I like. Brows are done. Now I'm going to go in with this Kush mascara and put it back on my lashes to make them thicker. And I love how it makes my lashes, like, even though I don't, like, I have a lot of lashes and they're long, they just don't like to stay up, but right now they seem to be staying a little bit up, so I like that. This is the one that I just used the Kush mascara on. You can see that's much more thicker than that one, so that's why I like using this one. I'm gonna use the same brush that I put like the little line with on my nose. I put some highlight on it and just do the same thing, just go down the nose. And then I'm gonna put some in my inner corner. This is what I've been doing a lot lately. It really brightens up my eye, and it just looks really nice. A little bit and I haven't been putting highlighter on like my cheeks. I just don't like how it looks right now. I don't know why. So I'm gonna do my lips now, and I'm gonna use this pencil. It's St. Lux in Secret Admirer. It's kind of like a brown pencil. I'm just gonna line my lips with that. I just line them, and then I put a line in the middle. It helps with the illusion of bigger lips. I'm not gonna leave it like this, don't worry. Next, I'm going to use this NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Good Times. It's like a nude, it's nice. And I'm just gonna fill it in. And blend it. So it really depends on the day, but I use this lip combo, and if I want like something more glossy, I'll put like a gloss over it, which I think I'm feeling today. I'm not sure. Gotta look at it again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a gloss over it. I'm gonna use this glossier, I don't know what it is, coconutbalm.com. So it's like a balm. All right, now it's nice and glossy, and just like that, we are done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I will be doing the skincare routine next. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to follow me on my socials like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. I'll link it down below for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.